Cat eyes have provided the necessary inspiration to develop a monitor for looking inside nuclear reactors. Researchers from Lancaster University in England have developed a camera that is able to see the radiation emitted by nuclear reactors. A team, led by Jonathan Beaumont, has drawn inspiration from the eyes of cats and believes this technology will boost safety and efficiency in nuclear power plants. The data obtained from the camera can be monitored in near real time and can provide critical information regarding the state of the nuclear core, the efficiency of the fuel burnup, and the condition of the reactor, all independently of the previously installed instrumentations. A new military algorithm identifies those at risk of committing violent crimes. A report in the Journal of Psychological Medicine, a team of researchers have developed a complex algorithm that identifies U.S. Army soldiers most likely to commit crimes of a violent nature. If this sounds like something straight from the movie Minority Report, then you're on the right page. The real-world military equivalent uses a series of algorithms and a vast amount of background information to make its predictions. Also, unlike the Philip K. Dick-inspired movie, the potential criminals will not be arrested before the crime is due to take place, but rather given counseling aimed at curtailing any urges to commit violent acts. Issue of the U.S. Army, with the Los Angeles Times reporting that nearly 1 in 5 soldiers had a common mental illness, including depression or panic disorders, before enlisting in the Army. This new predictive system appears to be an efficient tool for the U.S. Army to identify high-risk soldiers. But what they do with this information will require ethical consideration, especially since a large proportion of these categorized in the high-risk group do not go on to commit crimes. To some, however, this controversial program will be seen as a state-funded breach of personal freedom. You can now view more than 10,000 high-resolution photos from the Apollo missions online. An incredible collection of more than 10,000 photos from the Apollo missions is now available to view on Flickr. It includes every single photo taken by astronauts on the surface of the moon and various other images taken on Earth or in space, revealed in the raw, original form in high resolution. The collection is the result of painstaking work by Kip Teague of the Project Apollo archive. Although he enlisted the help from NASA, the effort is an independent one, making the endeavor all the more impressive. The images were obtained from scans of the original film magazines from the original missions on the Apollo shuttle. The latest image from the New Horizon reveals blue skies over Pluto and an ancient tranquil lake on Mars that could have supported life. This time last year, our best picture of Pluto was a gray, fuzzy, undistinguishable blob with no redeeming features. What a difference a 15-minute flyby makes. This time last year, our best picture of Pluto was a gray, fuzzy, undistinguishable blob with no redeeming features. What a difference a 15-minute flyby makes. Since the New Horizon mission started returning data in July, we have seen amazing landscapes, including a vast and smoothly icy plain bordered by jumbled blocks of ice and rock, as well as patterned ground that has been described as having a texture like a snakeskin. And now we have learned that these features all lie below a blue sky. I gotta say, I'm actually impressed, Pluto.